2023 Ram Rebel GT. This thing is an absolute beast. I'm going to show you the core features of the GT, starting with the cold air intake right from the factory. And a 5.7 liter Hemi V8 engine with Ram e-torque with the Ram Airflow factory air intake. Up front of the Ram Rebel GT, we've got blacked out grille and badges, powder coated steel front and rear bumpers and the tow hooks, all LED lights, and look at this beautiful hydro blue exterior paint. Come around to the side here, we've got the fender flares. We've got an upgraded set of Toyo Open Country AT3s. I wanted to juxtapose these on the Ram Rebel GT because I want to show you how easy it is to upgrade with Woodgrove Customs. And we've got a color match set of black Rhino wheels to go with it. Black badges, black running boards, crew cab, fully loaded. We got the leather interior, and check out the custom GT seats. Still got the plastic on it from the factory here, but look at this. We've got a suede gray insert leather here, all stitched up, looks really nice. We've got the GT badging, Rebel on the tailgate. We got the big, bold Ram badge. Everything is blacked out. And the nice thing about this truck, you've got the dual cat back factory exhaust. Sounds amazing. Up front of the Ram Rebel GT, you'll notice some very unique features. One, we've got the console shifter. Okay, no more dial. Right in the console, the way it should be, the way a truck is supposed to be. And behind the steering wheel, we've got these paddle shifters as well. Look at this. Give you that racing look and feel. Get you a little more in tune with the vehicle. And check this out. We've got the all-new digital dash cluster on the Ram Rebel. Beautiful cluster there with the graphics. Harman Kardon sound system, heated and cooled seats, 12-inch display with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, air suspension, trailer brake controller, rear trailer reverse guidance, and of course we've got the chrome pedal kit and heads-up display and digital rear view mirror. This truck is an absolute beast. Nanaimo, come down and see us at Woodgrove Chrysler on the north end, right across from the Woodgrove Mall. Come see your main man, Driving with Stu. Let me hook you up with this beautiful truck. And hey, if you already have a truck you love, come see us at Woodgrove Custom for your lifts, rims, tires, any accessories you can imagine. We can do it right here at Woodgrove Customs. Come see us today.